Hey everyone, in today's video I want to share with you a secret menu which Instagram have just launched to celebrate their 10-year birthday. This menu will let you change the Instagram icon to the previous version of Instagram or some unique ones which they have created for you. So make sure your Instagram has been updated to the latest version, and this will work on Android or iPhones. So let's open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile tab. Then tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then tap on settings. For iPhone, it will appear at the top. Now once you're in settings, take your thumb and drag the menu down slowly. If you look at the top, you'll notice some emojis appearing up. After you reveal about 4 emojis, you'll then see party poppers on your screen and the secret menu will be revealed. Here you can change the Instagram icon on your home screen to whatever it has offered. It goes back to when Instagram first started and how the icon looked like. It also offers you the dock version of Instagram. Choose the icon from the list and then press the add button. This will add the icon to your home screen of your phone. And there you go guys, you can see the default icon of Instagram and the new icon which Instagram has offered. And there you go guys, that is a secret menu which Instagram have just launched celebrating their 10-year birthday. Hope you guys found this useful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more social media and tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.